Hi, and welcome to today's episode of pianoTV. So today I'm going to be playing through all of the RCM grade 4 technique, and the only talking I'm really going to do is right now at the beginning, just kind of explaining how this is all going to work, and then the rest of the video, the whole point of it is for you to be able to play along with it if you'd like to, maybe get a sense of how challenging grade 4 level technique is, and so on. But it's really kind of, meant to be like a play along style video. I'm going to have all of the information on the scales that I play linked over on the, it's not just scales, the scales, arpeggios, and triads. I'll have it all linked on the blog associated with this video if you want to see like the complete breakdown of tempos and everything that I'm doing. Otherwise, definitely check out the Royal Conservatory of Music syllabus. The 2015 version is what this video is based on, and that's good for like the next 8 years or so. And and then you can follow along and know what you're supposed to be doing. There will also be an ABRSM version of this video coming soon, so stay tuned for that if you prefer the ABRSM music school. A couple changes from grade 3, because I've done videos of like all of the previous grades in this style. One thing that's changed is that, this isn't changed, but scales are hands together again, but the scales themselves are more challenging than the ones that were in grade 3. So it's basically the same as grade 3, but like a little bit more difficult in what the scales actually are. The triads are also hands together. That's a little bit of a change. And this is the first year in the Royal Conservatory of Music where you play arpeggios. They haven't appeared yet, so arpeggios are new. If you want more information on any of these types of scales that I'm doing, so say you have no idea what a formula pattern is or what a harmonic minor scale is, I've made videos for those specific techniques, and they'll all be linked over on the blog. So if you're a little confused on some of these different technique aspects, definitely prime yourself with those videos first. that is all the grade 4 technique for the Royal Conservatory of Music. As I mentioned at the beginning, you might want to practice playing along with this video or practice with the metronome set at the correct tempos. When I practice techniques, sometimes I use the metronome, sometimes I don't. I do a little bit of both because it's good to be able to spontaneously play at a steady tempo, but being able to do that does require a little bit of metronome work to make sure you're hearing the correct tempo to begin with. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you stay to the end screen, you can check me out on all of those, social platforms and Patreon. Catch you next time. Wow, okay.